Today I want to talk about the relationship between the heart and the mind in Qigong practice. Hi, I'm Jeff Chand, acupuncturist, practitioner of traditional Chinese medicine, and Qigong instructor. There are many reasons to practice Qigong, and there are many benefits that can come from a gentle, regular Qigong practice. But knowing why you're practicing is incredibly important. In fact, if you know exactly why you're practicing, you'll actually get much more results out of the same practice. So if you blindly go into it and you have no idea why you're doing it, then you still get results. But if you really know what you want to get out of it, then I think your qi, your body, your subconscious mind actually follows your intention. Now, I came across this headline that just kind of struck me, and I wanted to share it with you. It was the difference between mindset and heart set. Now, this really struck me because in Qigong practice, you definitely have a mindset. Again, why are you doing it? What schedule you're supposed to be following? What you're trying to accomplish. Like maybe you can do 10 repetitions, now you're trying to do 15. So that's all very clear mindset. But there's also a very important heart set. In Mandarin, there's this term, it's called basically your heart intention. And it's called xin yi. And what is your heart actually wanting to do? So for example, if somebody is working at a desk job and their mind says, okay, I need to pay the mortgage, I need to provide for my family, and I need to be a responsible citizen, that's their mindset that's taking them to work and helping them do what they need to do. But their heart set, maybe they always wanted to be a musician, a professional piano player, and that's what their heart is telling them to do. Now, sometimes we have to choose to follow our mindset, and other times we can choose to follow our heart set. And I would encourage you during Qigong practice to explore and let your heart set come to the surface. So follow your joy, follow your bliss, follow what feels good during your Qigong practice. If you're doing an exercise and like, oh, that just feels great doing that, then just stay with that feeling for just a little bit longer. Maybe your head is not telling you need to, but your body, your heart, your xin yi is actually telling you that you should spend a little bit more time there. So that's your heart set versus your mindset. Thanks for watching. And if this idea resonated with you, or if you can clearly see what your heart set and your mindset is, leave a little comment in the description box below, because I'd love to hear what you think. If you're interested in learning more about Qigong, come visit us at qigongforvitality.com and join the community, where we have a growing library of many Qigong practices that will help your mind and your heart set. See you next time.